Hi fam, hope you guys are doing well. It's your boy Josawa here again with another opportunity. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the best sniper entry you can basically use to become a profitable Forex trader. The process is very easy, just follow. So for this strategy, we basically need two indicators, okay? We basically need two indicators. You can basically use this in your MT4 and in your MT5, no worries, okay? I'm going to explain to you the best time frame and everything. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the top, all right, to the indicator tab. If you are using your MT5, just tab in, and we are going to add our first indicator. So you move down, you want to look for RSI, okay, this relative strength index. All right, you want to look for the relative strength index. So I want you to follow me, all right, step by step. So the period is going to be 13. Apply to is going to be close, okay. The style is going to be 3 pixel, all right, and you can leave the color blue. All right, so for the level, it's going to be 50. All right, the level is going to be 50. All right, so this is basically what you basically need to do. If you want, you can set this to 4 pixel, but we are, let's say 4 pixel. All right, let's leave this at what, 4 pixel. Then after you press save, so this one you are seeing relative strength index is going to be added here. So you can say, so this is what our first indicator. All right, this is what the first indicator we need for this strategy. Then you are going to come again to the top to add another indicator. All right, this time we are going to add the moving average, but you basically want to use indicator window 1. You just press indicator window 1, and you can see moving average. Okay, I'm going slowly. Moving average, you tap moving average. Now when you tap moving average, the period, you want the period to be 34. The shift, you want it to be 0. The method, you want it to be simple. All right, I want you to use this process that I'm showing you. Okay, apply to, you want to select first indicator data. Okay, it should be first indicator data. The style, you want it to be 4 pixel, and you leave the color to red. Okay, then you come to like levels. We don't need levels, so if you have any level, you can just delete. Okay, we don't need levels, and all, like, you just look at this one and you save. So now we have what, two what indicators. We have the RSI, which is the relative strength index, and the moving average. So if you set this, this is what it's going to look like. All right, this is what it's going to look like on your screen. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like on your screen. So you can basically say we have what, let me just show you guys here. You can basically say we have the moving average. All right, this is our 34 moving average, which is what, the red. All right, and we have the RSI, which you are seeing, which is what, the blue. Okay, so this is basically what you want to see, all right, on your phone, on your mobile. So after this, you now need to know how to use this strategy. All right, you need to know how to use this strategy, and the good thing is this strategy works on all time frames. Okay, it works on all time frames, but I will advise you to use this in H4, H1, and the higher time frames, or you can even use M15, the 15 minutes. All right, I've been using the 15-minute time frame for this particular sniper entry. So now let me explain how to use this strategy. Now after you have set up this one, okay, you have set up this one, if you want to basically do an entry whenever, let me just print this one for you guys. So this is basically what our, this is basically the moving average. This red line you are seeing, all right, not the straight line, the one that you are seeing as curve zigzag, is basically our moving average. Whenever the RSI is below the moving average, all right, you want to enter for a sell trade. Whenever the RSI, all right, is below what? The moving average, the 34 moving average. You want to enter for a sell. As you can see from here, all right, the market was selling. So as exactly you see, you basically can see like what? The market was what? Moving down, right? The RSI was below the 34 moving average. So let me show you more stuff for you to see. Then you look again here, okay? You look again here. The 34 moving average was below, and if you look here, you can basically see what? There was this another sniper entry. The market moved down, okay? The market moved down. Just watch till the end. I'm going to show you how to set your TP and your SL, your take profit and your stop loss. So you can basically see from here, we have another sniper entry. Why? The RSI was below the 34 moving average. So if you just enter, you are going to make massive profit. Okay, this is over 1 hour, so that's massive profit. So now let me show you a couple of other stuff. Now let's look for the buy. I just showed you guys sell signal. Whenever the RSI, all right, whenever the RSI is what? Above the 34 moving average, you want to enter for your buy trade. So for example, if you look here, okay, you see the market was what? In an uptrend, and our RSI was above the 34, all right, was above the moving average, the 34 moving average. So what happened? There was a spike. You see, the market moved up to this particular level. Okay, the market moved up to this particular level, and later you saw what? A downtrend. Okay, later we saw what? Another downtrend. Okay, from here. So the RSI moved back below the 34 moving average. Okay, so this is basically what you should be doing. You should just be looking at. You are going to make like a lot of cash. Okay, so this is basically the moving average I'm talking about. This line here, okay, is what? Our moving average, the red line, not this straight line you are saying, this horizontal you are saying here. So let's just look about this strategy. Now let's look here. Don't forget, this is the 15-minute time frame, guys. So imagine you can make like over 50-60 pips. So now we saw here, all right, the RSI was above, okay, the RSI was above the 34 moving average. What happened? You see what? A spike here, right? The market was moved up. Okay, so you see the RSI was above the 34 moving average, and what? This is another sniper entry. So I need to show you more, so for you guys to see like this strategy really works. Let's look for another one. Let's look. So look at another entry, another sniper entry here, guys. There's another sniper entry here. So you can basically see here, all right, this RSI is above what? The 34 moving average. This is basically what you're seeing here. Okay, so what happened? We have what? A spike. Okay, so this line you are seeing here, this line, okay, where the arrow is pointing is our moving average. This one where you are seeing here, so it's not this one at the top here, just this one at the bottom, the second line. Okay, so this is what? Our moving average. So you can basically see we have what? A spike. Okay, so let's go again so you guys can see more of this. So now let's look at this one. You see the market was down here, so let's see the signal, the entry. You see the market was down here. So what happened? The RSI was what? Below. Okay, you see the RSI was basically below from this point. If you look at what? From this point, the RSI is below the 34 moving average. So you can have what? Multiple trades. Okay, so you see this is the what? The RSI was below, and if you look at here, we have what? Another sniper entry. Okay, so just look at this particular level. All right, this is 15 minutes. Each candle here took 15 minutes to form. So just imagine this was what? A long, what? Massive sell. All right, so let's look here again. We have another sniper entry. Okay, you see we have another sniper entry. You just enter and you just close. We have another sniper entry for you. I'm just showing you multiple for you to know like what this strategy actually works. So the RSI is above what? The 34 moving average. What happens? We saw what? A spike. You see, right? We saw a spike. So whenever the RSI is above the 34 moving average. All right, if you follow all the settings for my relative strength index and my moving average, you are going to have the same, and you just what see like the market moved up. Okay, the market was moved up. So let me just show you one more example. Let me show you just one more. Okay, so we have what? A sell here. All right, we have a sell here. See, we have a sell here. So what happened? You can see from what our indicators. All right, the RSI was below the 34 moving average. This is the 34 moving average, this line. Okay, the red line. So what? We saw a massive sellout. You see, we saw a massive sellout. See, we have a massive sellout. Okay, we have a massive what sellout. So guys, this is what a sniper entry. So just one more, and all you can basically try this strategy in your demo account, probably with 5 to 15 trades, and you see how many trades you are going to win. I've been using this sniper strategy to do my entry, and this is massive. Let me know when you try this strategy in the comment section how many trades you are able to win. All right, if you are interested joining our community for more videos like this, kindly check the description section of this tutorial and join our Telegram community and follow us on all social media. All right, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram at Sesay Concepts. So guys, we have what this downtrend here. All right, you see what the RSI was what below the 34 moving average, and we have another spike here. All right, we have another spike here, and you can basically see what from this what spike here, the RSI was what above. So you see we have another spike. The RSI is still what above the what 34 moving average. So guys, just try to use this and all that. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel where I'm going to be using this strategy to enter live trade to flip $100 into $1,000. All right, so you don't need to miss that particular video. Okay, so now this is like what the live market. This is the live market. You are trying to say like what if you look here now, the RSI is trying to go above what the 34 moving average. So you don't want to enter yet. All you need to do, you need to wait for what the RSI to go actually above here. Okay, you want the RSI to be above. Okay, when the RSI is what above, then you can what do your entry. Okay, when the RSI is above, then you can do your entry and you just wait. Now you might be asking yourself this question: how am I going to know how to set my stop loss and your take profit? To set your stop loss and take profit that I've been doing, if you look for the recent high. Okay, so your TP what should be here if you are going to enter into this particular trade, and your stop loss is going to be just below. Okay, your stop loss is just going to be below what your entry. Okay, your stop loss is going to be below. For you to be profitable using this strategy, there's one thing you need to do. All right, you need to focus on your risk management. Go for trades that are what high probability trades. Okay, that's using risk of reward of 1:2. So let's say if you put what your $10, you are going to make $20. If you put $100, you are going to make what $200. There's possibility of you getting risk of reward of 1:3, 4, 5, 6, but always make sure to enter a trade with high probability of risk to reward of 1:2. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly ensure to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and subscribe, turn on the notification for more strategies like this. Stay blessed, guys. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. Stay blessed and Josao.